Hi everyone, my name is Michaela and I am today's social media ambassador for the College of Human Ecology, and I will be starting off the 2-week special takeovers featuring each individual college. I am a junior studying human biology, health, and society in human ecology, and I am also doing a minor in healthcare policy, which is in the policy analysis and management department. I'm really interested in public health, and also I'm doing the pre-med track, and human ecology was the best school for me to choose because it approaches health from such a multidisciplinary approach, and I am able to look at health from so many different aspects, which is essential for public health since it doesn't just approach the biological implications of health, but it also looks at so many other social, environmental, and economic factors that affect populations, not just individuals. So today I'll be taking you guys throughout my day. First off, I have physics discussion, and then I have the class on the U.S. healthcare systems, which is in the PAM department, and then after that I have human biochemistry, which is in the nutritional sciences department, and I'll have some time for lunch in between and a little bit of studying, and then I will also be going to my lab that I work in, which is in plant sciences, which is actually in the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences. So what advice do you have for students who are applying to human ecology?
My advice would be to look at all 5 of the departments, take a look at the faculty, look at their research, look at their teaching, and try to figure out whether you're a good match for the faculty who are going to be teaching and mentoring you over the course of 4 years.
So I just got out of my U.S. healthcare systems class, which is in Uris Hall, and over here is the hotel school. I am on my way to the human ecology building now, so I can do a quick little tour of that before my biochemistry class starts. So my healthcare systems class with Professor Nicholson was really cool today because we talked both about different policies that impact quality of care performed by physicians and hospitals on patients, but then also we saw direct evidence by watching 2 different gastric bypass surgeries of the effects of different quality of care measures, and so it was really cool to see that and also look for solutions and how to improve quality of care. So it feels like I have a really hands-on approach to looking at quality of care and not just looking at it from a theoretical perspective, but also understanding the policy behind it. So now I'm inside of the human ecology building, and I will show you guys the outside in just a second. But first, I wanted to show you one of the exhibits that we have. Since we have a lot of design majors in human ecology, we have both DEA exhibits and fashion exhibits, and this is an exhibit called Magnifying Small Spaces. And so students are showing their work in here of all of the different spaces that they designed. All of them are super cool, and so one of my favorite parts of being a HUMEC student is the fact that we get to go enjoy such designs and cool exhibits even if we're not in design majors. Okay, so this is Fernanda, and we are currently waiting for biochemistry to start. And so Fernanda is going to talk about her favorite thing about nutrition and human ecology.
Yes. So I'm a junior majoring in nutritional sciences in HUMEC, and one of my favorite things is that all of the professors here, or most of the professors, have their own lab and their own research, and so they tend to always apply what they do in lab into the lessons taught in class. So you learn a lot of applied material, and you can see how everything you learn in class applies to the real world, and it's really interesting and awesome.
Great, thank you. Now that I'm all done with classes for today, I am going to do some lab work for my lab in plant sciences, and I will be doing some extractions of RNA from our tomato samples. I have a bit of time to answer some more questions now that I'm walking to lab, and so I've been getting a lot of questions about other majors and other schools that are outside of human ecology. I am only going to be representing human ecology today, and there will be students doing a takeover for all of the different schools so they can answer those questions then. On my way to lab is the Liberty Hyde Bailey Conservatory. This is one of my favorite spots on campus as it is a beautiful greenhouse that has lots of really cool plants that are kept here all year long. It's super warm in here. There is also an area in the conservatory that looks like you're in a tropical jungle, which is so nice to be in because it is very warm, very toasty. There's a cute little pond, and it's just very relaxing in here. Now that I'm leaving the conservatory, I wanted to talk a little bit about some clubs and other organizations and activities that are specific to HUMEC. I personally am a human ecology ambassador, which means that I help represent the College of Human Ecology to prospective students and also accepted students who come visit campus or who are having questions, and we contact them through email, phone, all sorts of other things. There is also Kappa Omicron Nu, which is an honor society within human ecology. One of my favorite organizations that human ecology has is the Cornell Fashion Collective, where fashion designers in the Fiber Science and Apparel Design Department hold an annual runway show where all of their designs that they handcrafted are shown on models that are students, and also people who are interested in management and running big events can also take part in CFC to help run the show. I also wanted to mention that since I am a junior, I do not live in any of the dorms on campus. There are still some juniors and seniors who do live in the dorms, but the majority of people who live there are sophomores and freshmen. So I live off campus, so I cannot do any dorm tours, but there will definitely be some other ambassadors who will be able to show off their dorms in the later Instagram takeover series in the next 2 weeks. Hey guys, I'm back in my apartment now after doing a bit more studying on campus and having dinner with my friends at one of the West Campus dining halls. I just want to thank all of you guys so much for watching, and I hope that this was helpful information and it showed you what the day in the life could be like as a human ecology student here at Cornell. Don't forget to stay tuned for our future takeovers that are going to be happening in the next 2 weeks. Our next one is on Thursday, and that's going to be for the School of Architecture, Art, and Planning. Thanks for watching!